Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction, and I want to design you a custom kitchen. So at Home Love Construction, we are a design build company, which means that we do designs, we have an in-house design team, and then we actually do the construction and project manage it and actually get it done, and we have all the subs and stuff like that. So we literally take an idea from just an idea, build it into a real vision that's an executable plan, and then execute the plan for people. So what I specifically want to talk to you about in this video is our kitchen design services. This is sick. There's nothing like it, frankly, in the world, but definitely not in the state of Florida or the Tampa Bay area where we are. So in our kitchen design package, what we actually do is we come into your home with a Matterport camera. If you don't know what a Matterport is, it's a 3D imaging camera. We actually set it up and we scan your kitchen space. We then get a 3D map of your kitchen, and we pull our dimensions for your plans off of that 3D scan. So we know everything down to the, I think it's accurate to like the 64th of an inch. We only go to an 1/8 of an inch because it doesn't really matter past that. Maybe a 32nd if you're doing trim. So we get this 3D scan, we pull the 2D images off of this. It's down like to a hair's breadth of accuracy. And then what we do with that plan is we change it, we change the 2D plan to be what we actually want. We draw on your cabinets, we do the new island location, we move the sink, move the appliances, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. Then our interior designer works with you to pick out your actual color palette. So they go and they select, okay, this is the look I'm going for. Here's the specifically the specific items I'm looking for in the design, and they work that out with you. Then they actually bring you hard samples to see in your space what you actually like, and you pick your hard samples. Then we take all that information, because now we have the new floor plan and we have the actual samples, and we put it into our photorealistic rendering program. This is where people's heads explode, right? This is where people are like, this is unbelievable. I can't freaking believe my eyes right now. We get a photorealistic rendering that is so real looking that you literally will think it's a photo of your future kitchen design. So we'll show you. Obviously, this is your existing kitchen from this view. Here's what it will look like once the renovation is done in a photorealistic view. And by the way, this is all included in our design package. Like none of this is extra, none of this is an upcharge. It's all included as a part of the Matterport, the 3D scan, the 3D model, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. It's all a part of what we do, because what it allows us to do when we give you that photorealistic design, you can say, wow, that's exactly what I had envisioned. Yes, let's move forward with this. Then we can price down to the penny. What we're finding is that this process, doing this design process, we haven't been doing this for a long time. Our staff has been doing the design for a long time, but we just realized, hey, we need to take these designers we work with, bring it in-house, and then use our construction and put these two together to create this monster of a machine that creates incredible projects. What we're finding is that with this process, when we do this process, it eliminates 90% of change orders. I mean, we kind of keep a running tally of what our average change order dollar amount is in a percentage. It is coming in way lower in the projects where we're doing the full design package. I mean, it's actually kind of blowing my mind. And by the way, what we're moving towards in the future is change orders might go away entirely. We have some technology that we're working with kind of a consultant on to see if it's real and realistic and actually ready to go. But we have an opportunity where we actually may be able to eliminate change orders entirely. So if you're seeing this past the year 2022, realize that may be an option. So be sure you ask your estimator or designer as to whether we can eliminate change orders entirely. And by the way, that's something we're actually looking to put in writing in the future. So look out for that. That's not here right now. You know, this is early 2022. We haven't gotten there yet. We don't have the technology now, but it's like so close. And I was just so excited about it. I wanted to share it with you in this video. But that said, the kitchen design package, it's very simple. You can actually book it online. So if you know you're like, hey, I just need to do the design, like let's just get it started. We can actually book it so that we come with the Matterport and we know to just do it, and we're just like roll right into it. We start doing the same day estimate, we start doing the design, we set up the Matterport, get the scans of all the things. And by the way, this applies to more than just kitchens. We do this with big master bathrooms where you're trying to envision how to change it and where to put the plumbing and where do you put the shower, the tub, all that kind of stuff, and what's it gonna feel like when you're inside of it. We do it for that. We do it for whole home redesign, so like moving walls, moving a staircase, moving where the kitchen is, all the whole layout, like and your concern might be what it looks like when you walk in the front door. With a photorealistic design, we can show you what it looks like. And by the way, we do also have an option to do a VR 360. It's so crazy, I can't even believe that we're able to do this. So that said, if you are interested in a kitchen design or a bathroom design or whole home design really, send a request via, follow me here, homelove.construction/design. That is our design landing page. You can see the packages on there, what's included, and what you actually are going, the problems you're really going to be solving by doing a design. You may be saying, you know, I think I'm going to do a simple kitchen design. I'm not so sure that I need to do, like the renovation is going to be simple. I'm not sure I need to design. That's totally fine. Honestly, I agree with you. You might not necessarily need it. But that said, you probably need it. And here's the simple explanation as to why. I would ask you, how many times are you planning on renovating that kitchen? The answer is probably one. So isn't it worth making sure that you do it right the first time? I mean, that's kind of the set yourself up for success here. That's the whole point of the design, is to set you up for success. And so if you're interested in doing that, again, go to homelove.construction/design. We will put the link in the description of the video, and you can actually book your design right from there. If you are outside of the Tampa Bay area, we can help you. We also do remote designs as well. So if that's you, be sure you mention it in the comments section of when you're actually checking out, when you actually buy the design package. When you're doing that, let us know. Happy to help you. Very excited to see you in your project. And let's just get this thing done. Let's blow your mind with what we can do with your kitchen. I look forward to talking to you very soon. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube and like us on Facebook. We are Home Love Construction at both of those places. Does help me out a lot. Appreciate your attention. See you in the next vid. Peace.